Space is silent because it's virtually empty, as few as 10 atoms in a cubic meter, compared to 10 trillion in our own atmosphere. And without that thick soup of atoms, sound just has no way to travel. But billions of years ago, it was a different story. Not long after the Big Bang, the entire universe was a ball of hot plasma, thick enough for sound to pass through. Shockwaves from the formation of the universe rippled through space, creating a cosmic rumble deeper than anything our ears could detect.